Let's get ready for that Fo Flight. Getting high on that 69. Let's take 'em for that Fo Flight. Take 'em on the ride of the light. Here comes some Fo Flight. Tell 'em just what's something. Man, I'm an absolute genius. Overstand, I mean this in a most sincere way. I finally learned how to breathe to maintain homeostasis. As a disciple of Shaolin, I got to go places deeper. Deep into the third eye. Stacking the vertebrae of the spine. So I can touch the sky. And blow a kiss into the wind. Fly high. Where the birds would hover, where molecular structures of precipitation form to make you run for cover in a downpour. We bout to rock this mic for sure. Come on board, flying so high, touch the friendly skies. Captain, the landing gear is changed. We go flip the switch and if it don't work, we coming in like the kamikazes did from Japan. Captain, the landing gear is changed. We go flip the switch and if it don't work, we coming in like the kamikazes did from Japan. Except, I'm coming crashing into my own dome. I want to make sure there's always somebody there at home, even if I'm alone, but never by myself. Traces of cosmic dust do I puff from the Orion belt. There I converse with God, who hovered in a stealth. Then an image of Jesus was shown. Shalom.
Yes. Yes.
Turning seltzer water into wine. On that day it was forbidden to eat the swine. Allah's image became so divine. That's when my mind froze in that moment in time, like a Buddha in deep meditation, flying through the skies and alternate galaxies became my destination. Captain, the landing gear is changed. We gon' flip the switch and if it don't work, we coming in like the kamikazes did from Japan. Captain, the landing gear is changed. We gon' flip the switch and if it don't work, we coming in like the kamikazes did from Japan. Now I understand the essence of Tai Chi as the solar systems collide to form yet another galaxy. In Wing Chun we bridge the gap. Careful not to be too rigid or you just might snap like the vines on the tree. Recognize this circular energy that drips all your sap like blood and bone. Bring it on back home, cause it don't matter if the landing gear stays in retract. Captain, the landing gear is changed. We gon' flip the switch and if it don't work, we coming in like the kamikazes did from Japan. Except, bless you.